हेलो दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू। Start. The present writ petition has been filed by the petitioner with the following prayer para. First, issue any writ direction or order in the nature of Sarsarari, quashing the impugned order dated 21/6/2019 passed by respondent number 2/District Magistrate Prayagraj in bracket annexure 18 bracket out full stop para. Second, issue any writ direction or order in the nature of writ of mandamus commanding the respondents to refund the lease money and stamp duty of petitioner full stop para. Third, issue any writ direction or order in the nature of writ of mandamus commanding 27/6/2019 passed by respondent number 2/District Magistrate Prayagraj in bracket annexure 18 bracket out full stop para. Fourth, command the respondent numbers 2 and 3 decided representations of the petitioner dated 26/5/2018, 21/6/2018, 16/10/2018, 18/12/2018, 12/2/2019 and 15/5/2019 in bracket annexures 8, 9, 10, 11 and 13 bracket out full stop para. Fifth, issue any writ direction or order in the nature of writ of mandamus commanding the respondents to grant 3 months time full stop para. Sixth, issue any writ direction or order in the nature of writ of mandamus commanding the respondents full stop para. Seventh, pass any other writ direction or order as this honorable court may deem fit and proper under the circumstances of this case full stop para. Eighth, award cost to the petitioners from the respondents full stop para. Heard Shri Ashok Nath Tripathi, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Shrimati Archana Singh, learned additional chief standing counsel representing all the respondents full stop para. Facts in brief as contained in the writ petition are that as per new government policy 2017, a government order for settlement of lease under chapter 4th by e-tender/e-auction dated 14/8/2017 was issued and the Uttar Pradesh Mines Minerals in bracket concession in bracket 43 amendment bracket out rules 2017 in bracket hereinafter referred to as the amended rules 2017 bracket out framed thereunder full stop. Mining leases were to be granted as per the procedure prescribed under the statutory rules and the government order dated 14/8/2017 full stop. In pursuance of the same, an advertisement notice dated 1/12/2017 was issued by the District Magistrate Prayagraj respondent number 2 for settlement of mining leases of sand and moram under the amended rules 2017 in the district Prayagraj for several mining blocks by e-tendering full stop para. The petitioner, after completing necessary formalities, submitted an application for the grant of mining lease for mining area in village Kachara and Mishrapur in Tehsil Bara district Prayagraj river Yamuna, measuring 8 hectares for a quantity of 1,60,000 cubic meters per year full stop. In this regard, the petitioner has given a bid of rupees 295 per cubic meter against the reserve price of rupees 65, which being the highest full stop. The same was duly accepted by the District Magistrate Prayagraj/respondent number 2 wide order dated 2/1/2018 and thereafter a letter of intent dated 3/1/2018 was issued to the petitioner full stop. After issuance of aforesaid letter of intent, he had deposited requisite amount, namely security money and first installment of the annual lease amount full stop. Over. Friends, ये हो गया है, ठीक है, 120 की स्पीड में है और एक जगह नाम आया है तो हम थोड़ा ज़्यादा तेज़ हो गए थे ना। तो वहाँ विलेज जो था वो कचरा था, और मिश्रापुर तहसील बारा डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रयागराज। ठीक है, तो 2 मिनट के बाद क्रिमिनल डिक्टेशन। ओके, ये 35 नंबर वाला डिक्टेशन है जो डबल साउंड में आ गया था। ओके, तो इसको हमने फिर से रिकॉर्ड करके डाल दिया है। बताइएगा रिव्यू। वैसे हमारा रिव्यू तो ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं आता, कई लोग तो बुरा मान जाते होंगे लिखने के बाद कि क्या लिखवा देते हैं ये। कोई बात नहीं, इतना तेज़ में लिखने की वजह से ही एग्ज़ाम का डिक्टेशन अच्छा फील होगा। भगवान करे एग्ज़ाम का जो डिक्टेशन है वो बहुत अच्छा है, और उसमें नाम बिल्कुल भी ना हो। टफेस्ट डिक्टेशन में आएगा ये, मतलब ये कैटेगरी जो है। ठीक है, चलिए फिर डिक्टेशन शुरू करते हैं। 10 सेकेंड के बाद क्रिमिनल मैटर। ओके, चलिए स्टार्ट। Heard Shri Anup Trivedi, learned senior advocate, assisted by Shri Abhishek Shukla, learned advocate for the appellants, and Shri Jay Narayan, learned AGA first for the state respondent full stop para. This appeal is directed against the judgment and order dated 22/12/1995 passed by the Additional Sessions Judge Muzaffarnagar in Sessions Trial number 51 of 1993 in bracket State versus Sher Singh and others bracket out for offence under section 302 read with section 34 IPC registered at the police station Khandala, district Muzaffarnagar full stop. 4 appellants herein have been convicted and sentenced for life for the offences under section 302 read with section 34 IPC, out of whom one appellant number 3 in bracket Sadhu had died during pendency of the present appeal full stop para. A written report dated 12/8/1992 was filed by Jaiveer Singh, son of Netu Ram, resident of village Gadhi, Ram Kaur, police station Kandhala, district Muzaffarnagar at about 9:45 am, stating therein that at about 8 am, while his brother Ramesh was going to the field from his house carrying bogie and food, as soon as he reached at the Chak road in front of the field of Jai Singh, son of Multan, 4 accused persons named in the FIR had murdered him by firearms full stop. The name of the accused persons indicated in the first information report are Sher Singh, son of Ran Singh. It is averred therein that the incident was witnessed by Atar Singh, son of Chhota, Shri Ram, son of Chhajju and others full stop. The motive to commit the crime as indicated therein was the litigation going on between the parties and the resultant animosity full stop. The written report was scribed by Brijpal Singh, son of Prakash Chand, resident of the same village full stop para. As the prosecution story unfolded, police had reached the spot and recovery memos were prepared of the blood-stained and plain earth, 1 steel glass, a bowl and a box of aluminium with lid and a rubber sleeper in bracket Relaxo number 7, an empty cartridge, 12 bore red color at the bottom of which KF Special 12 Indian Ordnance Factory was written, and another empty cartridge, 315 bore brass at the bottom of which 8 mm KF 91 was written. All items found besides the body full stop. They are marked as exhibits Ka 10, Ka 11 and Ka 12 full stop. The inquest report marked as exhibit Ka 7 mentioned the time of its commencement as 10:15 am on 12/8/1992 and completion at about 11:15 am full stop. There is also a mention therein of the recovered empty cartridges and articles from besides the dead body as kept in the recovery memos mentioned above full stop para. A careful reading of the inquest report indicates that the dead body of Ramesh Singh was sealed in a black blanket and handed over on 12/8/1992 to the constables Kishori Lal and Vijay Pal. Full stop. Over. तो फ्रेंड्स ये हो गया है, ठीक है. डिक्टेशन नाम ज़्यादा आए हैं इसमें, है ना. नाम की प्रैक्टिस अलग से 2-2 लाइन सिर्फ किया करिए. हर मैटर में एक ही मैटर डेली लगाइए, लेकिन नाम को 2-2 लाइन प्रैक्टिस कर लिया करिए. इससे होगा क्या ना कि आपका जो नाम की जो स्ट्रेंथ है ना वो मज़बूत हो जाएगी. और नाम की जगह हम थोड़ा धीमे भी हुए हैं, ठीक है. ये थोड़ा मैटर कुछ ज़्यादा आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स था, क्योंकि इसमें जो है पिस्टल और गन की बोर वगैरह आई हुई हैं, 315 और 12 बोर की, ठीक है. ये कार्ट्रिज है वो कार्ट्रिज है, और इसमें चप्पल का नाम भी आया है, रिलैक्सो नंबर 7, ठीक है. तो चलिए बताइएगा कमेंट कैसा है, फिर मिलेंगे अगले डिक्टेशन में. ओके.